Hi everyone! Thank you for watching today. In today's arrangement, we'll be using Lucky Bamboo, inspired by Tanabata, the Star Festival in Japan. Stick around until the end. Today's flower are Lucky Bamboo, gentian, two types of leucadendrons, and spray mounds. Today I'll be using two kenzan, traditional pin holders, to create this arrangement. I'll be using a total of 3 lucky bamboo stalks. 2 of them will go into one kenzan, and the third will be arranged separately in the other kenzan. So first, I carefully observe all 3 stalks and choose which two to pair together and which one to feature on its own. If the stem is thick and firm, it's best to cut it at an angle. That way it's easier to insert into the kenzan. Be gentle and use both hands to carefully place the stem into the kenzan. The second lucky bamboo is placed lower than the first one. By creating height variation, you can add depth and dimension to your arrangement. Instead of placing the stem perfectly upright, try tilting it slightly. This small angle adds character and elegance to the arrangement. Next, we'll add the leucadendron. I'll cut one stem to a suitable length and use both the top and bottom parts in the arrangement. Even a single stem can be used in many different ways. It all depends on how you cut it. After cutting, be sure to remove any extra leaves near the base of the stem. This will make it easier to insert into the kenzan. I'll use the more expressive top part of the stem. I'll save the lower part to use later in the arrangement. Next, we'll add the gentian. Just like before, if you cut it at the right points, one stem can be divided and used in multiple ways. I'll place a stem with a beautiful shape and flower buds in front of the second lucky bamboo. The second gentian will be placed behind the second lucky bamboo, following its line. With a few spray mounds added, the first arrangement is complete. Take your time and carefully consider where to trim and which part to use. Have you ever noticed that when you're pruning flowers, carefully choosing and arrange them, you also begin to feel your mind become more organized and calm? In Japanese traditional arts, there's a deep respect for inner reflection. It's a quiet, meditative time, a moment to connect with yourself through the beauty of nature. Now let's move on to the next one. For the second arrangement, I'll be using just one lucky bamboo. Looking at the overall balance, I've decided to place this bamboo much lower to create harmony between both sides. Just like the first arrangement, I'll be adding the materials in the same order. Lucky bamboo, leucadendron, gentian, and finally spray mums. Take a close look at each material. Notice its expression, its personality. As the arranger, it's your role to discover the angle where each stem shines the brightest. Let the flowers show you how they want to be seen. Ikebana is not just about arranging flowers, it's about arranging your heart. Thank you for spending this peaceful moment with me today. With the gentian and spray mum added, the arrangement is complete. Take your time and enjoy the process. Do you remember when I said at the beginning that today's arrangement was inspired by Tanabata? Have you ever heard of Tanabata? It's a magical night in Japan when two celestial lovers, Orihime and Hikoboshi, are reunited across the Milky Way just once a year. They are separated by the stars, but on this one special evening, their love reaches the sky. Isn't it a beautiful story? Tanabata is celebrated on July 7th when we decorate bamboo branches with wishes written on colorful paper. In today's Ikebana, I used lucky bamboo to represent that festival image and feeling. That's for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. I hope this video brings happiness and peace to your heart. And if you like to be even more healed by the beauty of flowers, please check out my ebook. It's available both English and Japanese, so if you are interested in the Japanese language, be sure to take a look at the Japanese version too. You'll find all the details in the description box below. Thank you for watching till the end. See you next time. Bye!